The lush green valleys, breathtaking cliffs, spectacular waterfalls, unique cultures, and delicious food. Meghalaya is rich abundantly in all of these. And this is what makes our state the most sought after travel destination. Saura is the most common destination when it comes to people traveling in this part of the country. However, in this video, we will take you to a different place named Swer and Maura village, two small villages located in Khanashnong Micro. Swer village is just about 30 kilometers away from Shillong and about an hour's drive. With a population of just about 1500, Swer village is a quiet, calm and picturesque village. The narrow roads, the pine trees, the small houses and driving across the lush green places was just simply awesome. Another 10 kilometers further and situated about 40 kilometers away from Shillong is another village named Maura. One can also see Mokdok from this place, which is at the other side of the hills. Gazing at those hills was so beautiful and was just simply awesome. See you next week with another video. Thanks for watching.